Today we're going to be looking at this Boho lamp, and you're going to want to watch this video because the shade is not your average shade, and I'm going to show you how to put it on. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the instructions, the LED light bulb, the lamp, and the lamp shade. This lampshade has holes on this side that are going to go on the frame. You have to take the frame off the lamp in order to do this. The easiest way I found was to stick my hand through the center and then just kind of press it up against the bottom rung of this frame. Some of the holes were a little bit more difficult to get on the frame than others, but they did all eventually go on, which is super important because in a minute we're going to flip it upside down. When you have it on correctly, it should look like this. You're then going to literally flip this inside out. I was a little concerned that the shade was going to crack when I did this, but I applied equal pressure on both sides with my hands completely spread out to flip it inside out. As you can see, it eventually flipped inside out, and you just fluff up anything that happened to the little creases, and now you have a shade. This is probably the coolest LED light bulb I have ever seen. Taking the extra time to make sure this shade went on properly was well worth it. This has a pull string on and off. There's no switch or anything on the cord, and there's no remote control. It's just a pull string. The LED light bulb actually changes temperature, so you can pull the string really quickly and it will go from warm to neutral to bright white. The lamp shade is such a strange design, but it works.
It's so boho. That's boho. If you have a boho beach house, that is such a perfect lamp. I love that lamp so much.